Good evening, and thank you. My name is Andi Wheeler. My wife is Meredith Wheeler, and I'll be testifying on behalf of us both personally today in support with the key amendments from GLAD of the Parentage Act. The story of our path to parentage began 4 years ago. First, we tried at-home methods with a known donor, then through medically supervised inseminations, and now through in vitro fertilization, IVF, with a sperm donor from a sperm bank who, according to Rhode Island law, has more rights as a parent to my child than I do. During the last 4 years, I have been to every single appointment. That means early morning blood draws, invasive internal ultrasounds, and surgical egg procedures. And that includes being there when we lost our first 4 pregnancies. Now, my wife is pregnant again. And for the first time, we've been able to see right on schedule our baby's heartbeat. Believe me when I say you can only imagine the penetrating hope that leaps to mind when I say these words. However, I also have profound fear in regards to the process of being recognized as a parent to my child and protecting my child in the process. It hurts deeply to be told that because of the circumstances of conception, all of which are out of our control, that I need to be subject to the scrutiny of home studies, the requirement to appear before a judge, and the advertising of the donor in the paper that his rights are being relinquished, all in order to be afforded the same legal rights that other couples receive automatically just because their path to parenthood was more straightforward than ours.
I want you to know that those fears, I understand them. That's a natural human reaction, but this is going to be a good year for you guys.
I worry a lot about the delays. You actually can't start the second parent adoption process officially until after the child is born. So we're already in the fall, and I think a lot of people want to believe that things will be back to normal. But a lot of things won't be back to normal, even if some things are. And assuming that the court system is even open then, the adoption typically takes, there's a 6-month waiting period that you have to do, and then there's all of these different procedural hoops. So you're looking at about 10 months just in normal times, not to mention any potential backlog that the courts might have. But there's also a court appearance where I believe you need to take your baby to the court. And I can't imagine, even if the world is a safer place at the beginning of 2021, I can't imagine taking a small baby into a public place due to our fears about the potential of the COVID infection and, the unknowns about how it might impact a small human who has no immune system. To complete a proceeding that is unnecessary anyway and could be solved with one form just feels really wrong. Like, as a mother, I can't imagine doing that.